Looking at these HR activities, we can be able to classify the various career stages for HR professionals, even within these three activities, starting from the foundational entry level piece, which is the operational activities. Now, individuals that perform operational activities within an organization are HR officers, or sometimes called HR administrators. They are the ones that will be involved in the administrative part of HR. That's the operational activities. Then, at a much more experienced HR level, an experienced HR professional would be taking the advisory activities. This is where most of the human resource business partners within an organization tend to fall into, because they are working with the line managers in the various departments, in the various divisions, to be able to actualize the main objective of what HR should do across the line management within the organization. Then at the top level of HR management are where the strategic activities are being taken, and this is where the HR executives sit in. This is where the HR directors sit in, the chief human resource officer, the chief people officer, the chief human capital management officer, whatever name is given to it. This is where they sit, and this has become very, very critical activities, and as well as the roles within the organization that human resource professionals take on a going concern within an organization.